guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been filming a lot of videos today, as I do every weekend, and I just want to share with you guys my favorite pens because I'm sure you guys already know them, but I just want to talk to you guys about them. So this is just a little pen holder. Well, it's really like a flower holder or something that I purchased from IKEA. It houses all of my black pens and markers because these are my go-tos. So I have a lot in here. I use a Sharpie fine point a lot, a Sharpie ultra fine point, the Sharpie permanent marker with a chisel tip. I have a tool pen. I have a Papermate Flare. I have a Papermate Inkjoy. I have a Pilot G2. I have this Pen Gear pen, Pen Plus Gear pen. I have this Pilot Precise V5. I have this ballpoint diamond pen, Parkour erasable pen, Friction erasable pen. I have a lot of pens in here, and I'm sure you guys already know which ones are my fave, but I'm going to share with you guys my favorite pens, which are the black tool pen, the black Papermate Inkjoy pen, and the Papermate Flare pen. So the Papermate Flare is in medium, and I love it, and it has like a marker felt type situation going on, but I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to show you how they write as well. This is going to be a quick video. This is the tool pen, and it is a gel pen, very similar to the Papermate Inkjoy pens. This is the Papermate Inkjoy gel in 0.7. I'm pretty sure the tool is in 0.7. Really? I'm pretty sure the tool is in 0.7 as well, because that's my preferred tip. But this is the tip of the Inkjoy, and this is the tip of the tool. So these are my favorite pens. However, I just picked up these Papermate Inkjoy gel pens with a cat. So if you're not into pens and stationery, you don't care, but I care. This is a 0.7 medium point, just like the pens that I have now, except this is like a clicker, a retractable, is that what they call it? Retractable pen? I think that's what they call it. And this one has a cap. Like, this is so amazing. I don't know what to do with myself. Well, I clearly don't care that much because I picked these up the other day and I still haven't used them. But anyway, I'm going to share with you guys how my favorite pens write. So I have my Erin Condren notebook here. So we're just going to write. First up is the Papermate Inkjoy gel. And this is how this pen writes. It's not really that smooth on the Erin Condren paper, but that's okay because it still writes better than like a ballpoint pen, I think. So this is the tool. Now it is a little bit smoother, a little bit more smooth, whatever the word is, whatever the correct terminology is. But it's a little bit more smoother on the Erin Condren paper, but still not terribly smooth, but this is still my preferred pen. Now, these are my favorites, obviously, but I do like the tool pen. You probably just don't ever really see me using it. This is the Papermate Flare. Now, this is really bold, so that's pretty much why I love this. Again, not really smooth on this Erin Condren paper, but I don't really know what pen really is. Let's just try a ballpoint pen. This is one of the diamond pens that I purchased from Amazon. I'll link these down. I'll link all of this down below. Okay, this is smooth, but like, look at it though. This is really smooth, but seriously, you can't even see it. It's not even showing up. So as you can see, I prefer gel and flare because it actually shows up. Let's try one of these other pens as well. This is one of the erasable pens. This definitely, I don't even know how to use this. Okay, here we go. This definitely doesn't really show up. I mean, especially not with the Erin Condren paper, which I don't know what the kind of paper it is. But as you can see, this does not show up whatsoever. Let me zoom out so you can see this absolutely does not show up. None of these bleed through to my knowledge. Obviously, the bolder pens, you can kind of see them peeking through a little bit more, but for the most part, none of them actually like bleed through. You can see them, but it doesn't bleed through. Here's a pen we can try. This is the Ink R2.7 in medium tip. This came from the Dollar Tree. This is a pretty good pen. It does write a little bit smoother than the others, but it's typically a pen that kind of bleeds through. Nope, it's not bleeding through. So this is a good pen too. But so as you can see, my preferred pens are gels and ink joys, and the ink joys are, the gel pens and the Paper Mate Flares, and the Paper Mate Flares are kind of marker-ish, and so they show up really well. As you can see, they show up the best. Now that pen shows up pretty well as well, but the ballpoints do not really work out in my Erin Condren planners or really any other planner, to be honest, or really any paper, to be honest. And the erasable pens don't either. Now they are erasable, if you guys want to see that. It is a pretty cool situation, but they just don't really show up on this particular paper. I don't know. So yeah, I can't. That's why you guys always see me using ink joys and flares, because they actually show up, and they show up really well. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite pens. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.